Rain clearing, turning drier, brighter and warmer for all, and temperatures set to climb as we head through the week. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up. And good morning, Britain.
Thursday, 24s.
Hotting up is what it's doing. Temperatures climbing, and the big question again is, are we in a heat wave? So I'll just remind you what a heat wave is. So to have a heat wave, we need temperatures to be a certain threshold for 3 days in a row. So I'll show you the map. We basically need 25 degrees across the north of the UK, 28 degrees across the southeast. If we have that for 3 days in a row, then we are officially in a heat wave. Yesterday, we got to 28 degrees, so that would be day one. But this is how the temperatures pan out as we head through the next few days. Today, we're looking at a peak temperature of around about 27 degrees Celsius. And then as we head through the next few days, we're set to see them climb. So let me just show you our chart to show you how temperatures climb here as we head through the next few days. 28, 30 and 31. So by the end of the weekend, we'll be back in a heat wave. But these temperatures pale into insignificance compared to what is happening in America, where 150 million people have extreme heat advisories. New York had their hottest June day ever recorded. 257 daytime records have been broken in the last 3 days. And they've had buckled roads, closed bridges. The Washington Monument remains closed, with many, many people having power cuts as well. That heat wave is coming to an end as ours looks set to build. Good morning to you. Yesterday, temperatures climbed to 28 degrees Celsius. Not quite as hot today, with a little more cloud and rain to greet us first thing, but temperatures build day on day as we head through the weekend into next week. And then, probably by around about Sunday, we'll be back into a heat wave. What is happening today? Well, it's a cloudy, wet start. That rain then clears, and then warm sunshine returns. We had some thunderstorms just clipping the Kent coast overnight. They're now in the near continent, and then a band of rain making its way from west to east first thing this morning. So it's cloudy initially. It's still a warm and very humid start to the day. This band of rain fragments as it moves eastwards, so turning more into showers by this afternoon, and then it clears away. So by around about 3 or 4 o'clock, dry and sunny for most of us, and temperatures sitting just a little above average in the north. We still have a few light showers, way above average in the south, 26, maybe 27 degrees. And it means still enough strength in that sunshine for UV levels to be moderate to high for most of us, and those pollen levels, still grass pollen season, high across the board. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. And as I mentioned, we have this high pressure building, this heat wave conditions returning, but that's largely through southern areas of the UK. Looking at the north of the UK first of all, so Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, the white line where temperatures should be for the time of year. And yes, we climb above that as we head through the weekend into the start of next week, but not the dizzy heights we'll be seeing further south. Percentage chance of rainfall, well, for today and tomorrow, we have the rain and the showers moving through. But then, with the drier, sunnier, warmer weather comes fine, settled conditions. Now, looking at our fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days, again, starting with our temperatures compared to where they should be for the time of year. Averages here, and we are climbing way above those. So the heat we had of last week that some enjoyed, others didn't, returns and lasts well into the middle of next week. And you can see from the weather symbols, it remains largely dry. Today, we have our band of rain, but then the high pressure builds, so dry, sunny and turning hot.